Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you first setup of the dashcam. The first screen you will see after turning on the dashcam for the first time is language selection screen. To navigate through it, right here we've got OK, left, right arrow button and back button. To use those buttons, simply press buttons located here. So firstly select your language, next select time zone, date format, set the date and time manually, select frequency of recording, speed unit, Wi-Fi mode, and next you have to format SD card. Press OK, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.